Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Francisco. I'm live and alive in Facebook once more. Today, happy to share that I have created a private Facebook group titled Bite-Sized Information for Kidney and Related Diseases. It is destined to help people with kidney problems or their relatives, either having glomerulonephritis, chronic kidney disease, dialysis, kidney transplantation, or patients at higher risk of kidney disease, for example, having diabetes or having high blood pressure, or patients or people in whom the kidney disease runs in the family, but they are otherwise okay, and they want to implement preventive measures. All these for them to have more awareness of their disease, to have more general knowledge about diagnostic and treatment options, and even prognosis, and importantly, preventive measures for complications, so that they can be on top of their disease, knowing more about it, and not the other way around. So they can have less complications and therefore less worries. This will be done in a daily live video in which I will choose a topic. For example, we can start with what is the function of your kidneys. I will just talk briefly about the topic. I will be welcoming any comment or question, ideally related to the topic, so that we can focus on that. And I will try to answer them to my best capacity. If there is anything unrelated, small questions, I can let them accumulate and maybe do an ad hoc session at the end of the week to answer all those questions. If the question is going to be addressed later on in the video series, I probably will just answer it briefly and encourage you to wait for the next session. If the question is something very relevant that requires discussion into depth, so probably I can create a new session for the future. I am very confident and totally certain that this will be of extreme help and very useful for people with kidney problems, at risk of kidney problems, or for their relatives. So, if you are in this situation, please join this private Facebook group, or tell your relative or your friend to join, or share this post with your Facebook community. It will be indeed very useful. It's going to be a private Facebook so that people have the confidence to discuss some matters. So if you don't have anything of this, don't need to join the group. But also I need to say, this will not substitute that you seek professional advice if you have an ongoing kidney problem. You can either contact me directly, personally, privately, for a telemedicine consultation, or for a proper personal consultation once the COVID-19 situation eases up. Or you simply can consult your own doctor. So I will try to answer general questions, not specifically, for example, what dose of medication I can take or things like that. So if you like this video, but rather if you like this initiative to try to keep patients better informed, especially that now that many consultations have been put into telemedicine, or patients are afraid to visit hospitals or clinics, or minor things has been left for later, is probably the best time to be very informed. So, Dr. Francisco, wishing you the best possible health. Take care. Stay tuned, yeah? Bye-bye.